Sunshine Girls world-rated goal shooter Janelle Fowler-Nembhard of the West Coast Fever has capped off an outstanding 2025 season after being named the Suncorp Super Netball Player of the Year for the 6th time. The 36-year-old Fowler-Nembhard played an integral role in the team's record-breaking season, which saw the Fever claim their first minor premiership and set the record for the most consecutive Suncorp Super Netball victories with 13. She led the league's scoring with 841 goals at 97% accuracy, averaging more than 60 goals per game. Fowler-Nembhard was also named in the Suncorp Super Netball Team of the Year as goal shooter.